Imagine speaking without moving a single muscle. No voice, no typing, just your thoughts, turned straight into words. It sounds like science fiction, but AI is making it real, and it's already giving people their voices back. A stroke, an injury, or A.L.S. can lock a sharp, fully aware mind inside a body that can no longer speak. For these patients, communication can slow to a few painful words a minute. The thoughts are there, the voice is gone. But here's the breakthrough. The brain itself still works. So scientists place a small array of sensors right on the brain's surface, a brain-computer interface that listens to its electrical activity directly. When someone tries to speak, the brain still fires the signals meant to move the lips, jaw, and tongue. The sensors capture those neural patterns, even when not one single muscle actually moves. Then AI takes over. Machine learning models, trained on each person's own brain, translate those brain signals into text, into a synthetic voice, and even drive a talking digital avatar on screen. In 2023, a team at the University of California, San Francisco, helped a woman paralyzed by a stroke speak again through an avatar at about 78 words a minute. A team at Stanford reached similar speeds. After years of silence, real conversation returned. And the technology is shrinking. Implants are becoming tiny and wireless. In 2024, Neuralink placed its first chip in a human who learned to move a computer cursor and play games using nothing but his thoughts. The longer-term dream, the one Elon Musk talks about, goes further. High-bandwidth links that might one day let people share thoughts directly, brain to brain. That future is still unproven and years away, but the direction is set. Today, AI is restoring lost voices. Tomorrow, it could reshape how all of us communicate. From thought to speech, the line between mind and machine is fading fast. If this amazed you, like and subscribe for more.